Are you tired of watching your money disappear each month? These 5 AI tools are designed to save you time, reduce spending, and help you hold on to your cash, all with minimal effort. Let's dive in.
First up is rocketmoney, a personal finance assistant that automatically finds and cancels unused subscriptions. If you've ever signed up for a free trial and forgot to cancel, this app's for you. It also negotiates lower bills for things like cable and internet, saving users up to $300 a year. Just link your accounts and let the AI do the heavy lifting.
You already know ChatGPT is powerful, but did you know it can help you budget? Ask it to build a weekly spending plan, create grocery lists, or suggest ways to cut recurring costs. It's like having a financial coach in your pocket, totally free.
Third is Honey, now part of PayPal. It automatically applies coupons when you shop online. Whether you're buying clothes, software, or even food delivery, Honey can save you up to 20% without lifting a finger. It's one of those set it and forget it tools. Another powerful option is Truebill, also now part of rocketmoney's premium features. It tracks your spending, notifies you of price increases, and helps you set smart savings goals. For people who struggle with impulsive purchases, this AI can help you stay in control. And finally, notionai. While it's mostly known for productivity, it can create custom financial dashboards and automate planning tasks. Think AI-powered monthly budget templates, investment trackers, and goal-setting systems all in one workspace. These tools aren't just cool tech, they're practical ways to put more money in your pocket. Start using even one of them today, and you could save hundreds by the end of the year. Let me know in the comments which one you'll try first. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered money tips every week.